Hey everybody, it's Markwell Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyer, back with another free resource for you. Today, we're going to talk about going public. 3 things you should know about corporations. The first thing you should know about corporations is that a corporation is owned by one or more shareholders. And the percentage of each one's ownership directly correlates to the number of shares they own. This means that for corporations, unlike LLCs, sole proprietorships, and partnerships, and these other forms of business entities, the owners are determined by the percentage of shares that you own in the company. This means that the person that formed the company could potentially not have the most shares. Someone else could have the most shares and actually be the owner of the company, even though they didn't form it. The second thing to know about corporations is this entity type is often chosen by entrepreneurs who want to have a more formal business structure than a limited liability company or a sole proprietorship or a partnership. And they may even consider taking their business global or establishing an initial public offering, which can help gain a bunch of financial capital, money they can use to invest in the business, to start the business, to maintain the business, to develop the business. You get it. The third thing to know about corporations is they offer much more flexibility in terms of transferring their ownership. Transferring ownership with a corporation is easy. Although specific rules may depend on the governing agreement and the bylaws and the articles of incorporation that you file when you form the corporation, oftentimes to transfer ownership of a corporation, all the owner has to do is sell their stocks. By selling their stocks, when additional owners purchase these stocks, they gain that ownership in the company. This allows for the transfer of ownership to be much more simple, smooth, and less complex than an LLC, a sole proprietorship, or a partnership. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today. This has been Going Public. 3 things you need to know about corporations. Once again, I am Markwell Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyer. Protect your brand, grow your business. Stay frosty, my friends. We'll see you next time. We hope this was helpful.